everyone, and welcome to the video introduction about my upcoming class. My name is Amenny and I'm here to talk to you about starting a YouTube channel for your business, regardless of what type of business you are in. If you need to do sales and marketing or want an easy way to promote your services or products, YouTube may be a good option for you. This video is for you. Having your own YouTube channel can be a great way to promote your services and your business and share your message with a broader audience. If you're feeling unsure about how to go about it, my upcoming class will show you some of the basic step-by-step how to do it. I'm going to share with you some of the things that I've learned over the past 2 years about how to plan, shoot, edit video that will help you reach your goal. I found this to be a great way to connect with clients and grow your business online without having to invest in higher and higher advertisement costs to get new leads. Many people know how to set up a YouTube channel, but they don't see the success and result that they should because of these two reasons, where you need to figure out this marketing stuff on your own. Therefore, you need to have a mentor can help you do both by nurturing your online presence and proactively grow with you. Number 2, unsure of what type of content to publish. In my upcoming class, I'll show you how to successfully use YouTube to increase your view with this course. Thank you for watching. If you are looking to expand your business by getting into a video marketing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my upcoming class by click the link below or link above. We will be holding this workshop in a small group because our seats are limited. Get on board now and be able to work with the other attendees. See you soon in my class.